Hello everyone, myself Nitin Jose from SMEC Automation Private Limited. Today you are going to learn about LabVIEW, Laboratory Virtual Instrument Engineering Workbench. LabVIEW is visually an industrial standard system design developed by National Instruments, which is used in areas like academic demonstrations, to the research purposes, and then to industrial processes like starting from measurement, testing, and then controlling. National Instruments was founded in the year of 1976, and later in the year of 1986 they developed a software called as LabVIEW. And in the year of 1986 itself, it was developed for a system Macintosh. In that we have a hardware called as GPIB, which can control the hardwares like control valves and take the instruments inputs like process variables from the different types of transmitters and sensors. In the year of 1992, they have started their implementation into the Windows, and they have built a platform in Windows, and in the year of 1993 they have a multi-platform that is in Macintosh, Windows and Onyx. In the year of 2015, they have developed a system for wireless communications like 5G. So that's why now we are using a 5G network in our country. Some of the major companies which are using the platform like LabVIEW for their research and development purposes are Tesla. First of all, Tesla is using it for the development of their electric cars, and next company which is using is Microsoft, Siemens, Intel, and any other companies are also using this software. Two things which make LabVIEW unique is that it's first of all extremely fast hardware, and the second one is its programming language itself, because its language is using multi-core for the processing purpose. Each one of the program is run parallelly. That makes it easy for running, and it use of the multi-core in the computer. So in the coming classes, you will be learning how to use the program, how to write a program, and how to implement it, like how to operate using a hardware. Everything you will be learning in the coming classes. For more details, please find the description given below. Thank you.